Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are happy, good and fantastic. And you are doing great in this language. Friends, if you don't know me, my name is Soni Singh and I am from Jharkhand. Friends, I was not uploading videos from 10 days because I was ill. I had fever, I had a cold and even I had a cough. So, I was not making videos, but now I am good and I am making video again for beginners. Friends, if you are new in my channel, then subscribe this channel because this channel is very useful for you. I upload new English sentences every day for beginners. And today I am going to share with you what is the most important key to speak English fluently and confidently. That is listening, speaking, reading and writing. These four things are very important to speak English fluently and confidently. If you want to speak English, then open your mouth and try to speak because a language wants a mouth to speak. Without speaking, you can't learn any language properly. If you want to speak any language, then open your mouth and speak. If you have to speak English, then try to listening, try to speaking, try to reading, try to writing. These are very important for a language. Always motivate yourself because self-motivating is very important for us. No one can teach you, only you have the ability to teach yourself. It's no matter how broken it is, speak. Whatever comes to you, speak. Whatever you know, speak. Just open your mouth and try to speak. Friends, कुछ दिन बाद आपका ये आदत बन जाएगा सुनना, लिखना, पढ़ना और बोलना. शुरुआत में हमें दिक्कत आती है पर बाद में ये हमारा आदत बन जाता है. जब ये हमारा आदत बन जाएगा ना तो हमें दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. सो कोशिश हमेशा करते रहे, मेहनत हमेशा करें, अपना अच्छा करने का हमेशा कोशिश करें. तभी आप किसी चीज़ को सीख पाएंगे. जब तक आपको सीखने की चाह नहीं होगी तब तक आपका इच्छा तो है पर आप कर नहीं पाओगे क्योंकि आपको सीखने की ज़रूरत है. जब तक आप सीखने की कोशिश ही नहीं करोगे तब तक आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. So always do your best. I hope this video will be useful for you.